Hello friends and welcome to our next class, and in this class we will be learning a new topic, that is adding huge numbers using a dot techniques in Vedic maths. So what does this dot technique is all about? So in step 1, whenever the sum of two digits exceed value 10, then we will place a dot and carry out the further addition. Step 2, replace a dot by one digit with respect to its position, but leaving the units place vacant while adding the ones to the total value. Let's take an example to get a better understanding of these steps. Let's suppose we will be adding these 4-digit number using a dot technique. 4567 plus 1625. On unit place we have 7 plus 5, that is 12. So we will replace the one value with dot and we will write the 2 in its place. For the next two digits, 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 6 is 11. We will replace the 1 of 11 as dot and the next one is answer. And lastly, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we are done with our first step. Now we'll move on to our next step. In the second step, we will first place, we will never touch the unit place of the sum that we got. Just place a blank over there. Then we will just place the dot with 1, and if there is no dot, we will replace it with 0. So looking at above, with respect to the position, we can see 0101 is the number that we are getting over here. So what we get, 0, 1, since 6 has a 1 dot, so 1, and 2, again we are not having any dot, so 0, and 5 is having 1 dot, so 1. So we'll just do a simple addition of this, and we will get the answers right away. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 plus nothing is 2. So this is a very simple technique. Let's take a more trickier example. So in this example we have taken 4567 plus 9748 plus 1320. Okay, now 7 plus we'll follow the same step, but it would be a bit lengthier one. So 7 plus 8 is 15. We will replace the 1 by dot and write 5, and 5 plus 0 is nothing but 5. So we'll just write 5 below and the dot above, 3 digit, and for the next 3 digit, 6 plus 4 is 10, so we will replace 1 with dot, and 0 plus 2 is 2. Next 3 digit, 5 plus 7 is 12 dot, and 2 plus 3 is 5. We'll take next 3 digit, 4 plus 9 is 13. We will replace 1 with the dot, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we are done with our first step. Now we will place a blank over there, and we will replace the dot by 1 and add it to the answer that we got. So the direct answer is 15635. This is such an easy technique to find the sum of huge numbers. Okay, in the third example, I have taken clearly the example that we have solved earlier, but what I've done is I've just replaced a 6 in the last number. So 7 plus 8 is 15, and we'll carry 1, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So again we'll get a dot over there, and we'll write 1 at the bottom. So in this case we have got 2 dot, and for the rest of the part, just same as it was in the earlier case. So I will just directly move on as we have solved it earlier. So first step is done. Now what you will do, how we will tackle with these 2 dots. Solution is very simple. The number of dot is equal to number of ones. So for the first 3 dot, we have no doubt we will be directly writing a 1 over there. But what about the last case? We will be adding those 2 dots, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. So the number is 1, 1, 1 and 2. And then lastly, just do a simple addition and you got the answer. 1, 5, 6, 4, 1. So friends, that's all for this class. Thank you. And I would request you to please do rate this course, and a review would be an icing on the cake for you. Of course, your rating will surely encourage me to bring other Vedic math tricks. Friends, that's all. So thank you.